Watch how I shape this baked turkey. When you are tired of rice, well, just come along. Let's get started. This is my properly washed turkey. I added my meat spices, nutmeg, curry, ginger, garlic, salt, seasoning, thyme, rosemarine, soy sauce. I added my roughly blended onion and scotch bonnet. I'll give it a good mix until everything is well mixed. So now everything is well mixed. I'll cover and allow it to steam for 10 minutes. So here is 10 minutes. I'll add water this much and I'll cover and cook it for 30 minutes. So here is it ready. I'll arrange them into my oven tray. So at this point, I preheated my oven to 230 to 60 minutes depending on your oven. So I'll pop it inside my oven. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for the like, the share, the comment, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of this family. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be the first to be notified. So it is baked. I brought it out of the oven. I added my minced bell pepper, onion, spring onion that I just cooked for 2 minutes with oil and just sprinkled salt. So I'll just pour it and use it to garnish it. If you are tired of eating rice, pounded yam, anything, this is the right snack for you. It came out so delicious, so yummy. Try this recipe. I'll be glad to see you in my next video. Bye.